Good afternoon, children. Sairam. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we will start with Active English workbook number 3. Let us start with the revision. Answer the following. The first question is there any milk on the table? Is there any tea? Now, what did you see in the picture? There is a bottle of milk. Now you have to answer both the questions in one sentence. How will you do it? You have to remember the key word, that is but. Okay? You have to use but. There is some milk on the table, but there isn't any tea. Understood how to do it? Now, both the questions are asked by using is there. Okay? See, in the beginning, what is used? Is there. The is there, when we use is there, means we are asking about something that is either singular in number or uncountable. In both the questions, milk and tea are uncountable nouns. We cannot count them. That is why we have started the question using is there. Whenever the question begins with is there, you have to answer using there is. Let us do the second one. Are there any cats in the basket? Are there any dogs? What can you see in the basket? There are cats, not the dogs. So, how will you answer? What is the key word? Yes, but. But is the key word. You have to use but to answer both the questions in one sentence. There are some cats in the basket, but there aren't any dogs. Now, both the questions are asked by using the words are there. Okay? Are there. Are there is used when you are asking a question about something, when you are asking about something that is plural in number or more than one. In both the questions, cats and dogs are plural in number. Therefore, we have used are there to ask the question. Whenever the question is asked using are there, you have to answer using there are. Okay, what you have to use? There are. You have to start with there are. There are some cats in the basket, but there aren't any dogs. Now already you have learned how to answer. Now you can answer the questions very quickly, right? Now third one. Is there any water in the bucket? Is there any coffee? Now both water and coffee are uncountable now. So you have to answer by using the keyword. Tell me which is the keyword? But. Yes. Don't forget but. Okay, it is the magical word. It is the keyword to answer the questions. Two questions at one time. There is some water in the bucket, but there isn't any coffee. I will repeat the answer. There is some water in the bucket, but there isn't any coffee. Let us do the fourth one. Are there any hammers in the box? Are there any nails? Are there any hammers in the box? Are there any nails? What can you see in the box? Hammers or nails? Hammers, right? There are no nails. How will you answer the questions? Both the questions in one sentence by using the magical word but. It is the key word. There are some hammers in the box, but there aren't any nails. I will repeat the answer. There are some hammers in the box, but there aren't any nails. Fifth one. Is there any jam in the bottle? Is there any water? What is there in the bottle? Jam or water? Yes, there is some jam. So, how will you answer both the questions together in one sentence? By using the word but. There is some jam in the bottle, but there isn't any water. I will repeat the answer once again. There is some jam in the bottle, but there isn't any water. Now both jam and water are uncountable nouns. Okay? Both are uncountable nouns. You cannot count jam. Okay? You cannot count water. Both you cannot count. So, the question is beginning with is there. Let us do the sixth one. Are there any shoes in the parcel? Are there any socks? Now, how will you answer the question, both the questions together? Again, you have to use the magical word, the key word, but. There are some shoes in the parcel, but there aren't any socks. There are some shoes in the parcel, but there aren't any socks. Let's do the seventh one. Is there any sand on the lorry? Is there any rice? What is there in the lorry? Sand, not rice. So, how will you answer? There is some sand on the lorry, but there isn't any rice. Which is the key word? But. Don't forget but. Okay? You have to use but to answer both the questions in one sentence. There is some sand on the lorry, but there isn't any rice. Now both rice and sand are uncountable now. You cannot count them. So the question begins with is there. Okay? And you have to answer when the question begins with is there, your answer should begin with there is. Let us start with the second exercise. Draw lines under the right word. A ruler is dash, then a pencil. You have to draw line under the right word. Now in this sentence you are comparing two things. Which are the two things? A ruler and a pencil. Which is longer? A ruler or a pencil? A ruler. So which is the correct option? Longer or more long? Longer. A ruler is longer than a pencil. The second sentence. This is my book. It is dash. Now this is my book. Whose book? My book. This is dash. My or mine? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct word? Right word? Mine. Okay? So you have to underline mine. This is my book. It is mine. Question number 3. I can hear something, but I can't see dash. Now, in this sentence, we are talking about a person who can hear something, but he cannot see. When he cannot see means he cannot see anything, right? So how will you write the sentence? I can hear something, but I can't see anything. Okay? Something or anything. Which is the correct option? Right word? Anything. Anything is the right word. Okay? Because if a person is blind, that person cannot see anything. But person can hear something. Now, sentence number 4. This drawing is good, but that drawing is dash. Now, what you are doing here? You are comparing between the two drawings. You are comparing two drawings. Which one is good and which one is better? So, how will you answer? Which is the correct option? Better. This drawing is good, but that drawing is better. Fifth one. A farmer dash. What does the farmer do? A farmer grows food. What is the second option given here? Works in the garden. Who works in the garden? Gardener, not the farmer. Okay? So what is the correct answer? Grows food. The sentence will be, a farmer grows food. Number 6. Dash, I have a pen, please. Yes, here, dash. Now here, you are requesting somebody. So, which is the correct answer? Correct option? May. May I have a pen, please? Yes, here it is. This sentence is about request and reply. May I have a pen, please? Yes, here it is. Seventh one. Yesterday dash Tuesday, today dash Wednesday. What are the options? Is, was. Now is used for present tense and was is used for past tense. Now yesterday means past tense. So which is the correct option? Was. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Understood the difference between is and was? Is word is used for present tense and was is used for past tense. Question number 8. We dash an English lesson yesterday. We dash one every day. Now here you have to know where to use have and where to use had. Had is used for past tense, that is already done, and have is used for present tense. We dash an English lesson yesterday means this sentence is about past tense. So which is the correct option? Have or had? Had. Had is the correct option. So how will you write the sentence? We had an English lesson yesterday. We dash one every day. This sentence is about present tense. So which is the correct option? Have or had? Have. Have is the correct option. So how will you write the sentence? We have one every day. The 9th one is, yesterday was Tuesday. Dash it. You are asking a question. Now this sentence is again about the past. You are asking about the past. So how will you question? Yesterday was Tuesday. Wasn't it? I'm repeating again. Yesterday was Tuesday. Wasn't it? 10th one. I see a bus every day. I dash one yesterday. Here two sentences are there. The first sentence is about the present tense and the second sentence is talking about past tense. See is used for present tense and saw is used for past tense. As the second sentence is about past tense, so we have to select which option, see or saw. Yes, we have to select saw. Saw is the right word. So how will you complete the sentence? I see a bus every day. I saw one yesterday. Let's do the 11th one. Last week the teacher dashed an aeroplane on the blackboard. Now here two options are given, draw and drew. Now again, this sentence is talking about past tense. Okay? This sentence is telling us about past tense. So draw is used for present tense and drew is used for past tense. Okay? Drew is the past tense of draw. So in this sentence, which is the correct option, draw or drew? Drew is the correct option. So how will you write the sentence? Last week, the teacher drew an aeroplane on the blackboard. Let us start with the next exercise. Can you find the words? The first one is done for you. Now, in this exercise, some pictures are given. You have to name the pictures and with the help of the first letter of the picture, you have to create a new word. Now, first picture is what? You have to identify the picture. It is a comb. Right, it is a comb. So, you have to write comb underneath the picture comb. Next, this picture is hat. Okay, you have to name the picture. The picture is hat. Then the picture is, yes, it is apple. After that, the fourth picture is eyes. It is eyes. And the fifth picture is ring. Now from each picture, you have to remove the first letter. Okay? And you have to create by using the first letter of each picture, you can create a new word. One new word will come out. Okay? You will derive a new word. C from the comb, H from chair, A from apple, I from eyes, R from ring. C H A I R. Okay, you have removed 5 letters. Okay, C H A I R. Which word is this? You can read the word? Yes, this is chair. Okay, this is chair. So, chair word you have derived out of these 5 pictures. Okay, let us do the next one. Let us solve the second puzzle. See the first picture. The first picture is scenery. The first picture is scenery. The second one is hand. Name the third picture. It is eyes. Fourth picture is river. And the last one is number 10. P-E-N, 10. Now, you have got 5 words. Which are the 5 words? Number 1, scenery. Number 2, hand. Number 3, eyes. Number 4, river. And number 5, 10. Now what you have to do? You have to remove the first letter of each word. You have to remove S from scenery, H from hand, I from eyes, R from river, and T from 10. So which are the 5 letters that you have removed? S, H, I, R, T. S, H, I, R, T. Can you read this word? Yes. This is shirt. Okay? Shirt word you have derived with the help of the following pictures. First, you have to name the picture. By seeing the picture, you have to correctly name the picture. If you make mistake in naming the picture, you will not able to derive a proper word, a meaningful word. So you have to be very careful while recognizing the picture. You have to identify the picture correctly. Let us solve the third puzzle. Now again, 5 pictures are given in this exercise. You have to be very careful while recognizing the picture, while identifying the picture. The first picture is, yes, bus. B-U-S. You have to write the word underneath the picture. And don't make spelling mistake. The second picture is letter. What is the spelling of letter? L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. The third picture is apple. You all must be knowing the spelling of apple. It is very easy. A-P-P-L-E. The fourth picture is chair. And the fifth one is kite. So, with the help of the pictures, by identifying the pictures, you have removed 5 words. Which are the 5 words? Bus, letter, apple, chair, kite. Now, you have to remove the first letter of each word. The first letter of bus is B. The first letter of letter is L. The first letter of apple is A. The first letter of chair is C. And the first letter of kite is K. Now you have removed 5 letters from the following words. The initial letter, the first letter, right? Which are the letters? B, L, A, C, K. You have removed 5 letters. Now you can read the word, okay? Yes, B, L, A, C, K. You have removed the new word, right? With the help of the following words. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Okay? The new word is black. Let us solve the next puzzle. Now again, in this puzzle, 5 pictures are given. You have to identify the pictures and write the name under each picture. You have to identify the picture correctly. If you don't identify the picture correctly and if you make mistake in writing name of any one picture, you will not able to find a correct word. So be very careful in identifying the picture. The first picture is house. What is the spelling of house? H-O-U-S-E, house. The second picture is orange. What is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Don't make mistake while writing the spelling. Be very careful, children. The third picture is ruler. What you have to write? Ruler. You cannot write scale. If you write scale, you cannot derive the correct word. What do you have to write? You have to write ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Ruler means scale. The next word is, you all know this? Yes? Sun. S-U-N. Sun. And the last one is egg. E-G-G, egg. Now, you have to remove the first letter from each word. H from house, O from orange, R from ruler, S from sun, and E from egg. So, you have formed a new word. Which is this new word? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Children, this is the last puzzle. Now again, 5 pictures are given. You have to identify the picture carefully and write the name underneath the picture, underneath each picture. Now, the first picture, identify the first picture. The first picture is sugar candy. It is sugar candy. What is the spelling? S-U-G-A-R. Sugar, C-A-N-D-Y. Candy. Sugar candy. The next picture, the second picture is, yes, it is train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. It is a train. Third picture is, yes, aeroplane. A for aeroplane you have learned, right? Aeroplane. What is the spelling of aeroplane? Yes, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Don't make mistake while writing the spelling underneath the word, underneath the picture. The fourth picture is money. Okay, the man is showing money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. And the fifth picture is, and what is the fifth? Fifth is the picture. You can write picture. Okay? See children, you have to be very careful, okay, while writing. Sometimes what happens, if you write wrong name, then you will not able to derive a new word. Okay? So you have to be very careful. Now, you have to remove the first letter of each word. The first word is sugar candy. So you have to remove S. Okay? S from sugar candy. Then comes the next word. You have to remove T from train. You have to remove T from train. Then A from aeroplane. A from aeroplane. M from money. M from money. And P from picture. So now you have created a new word using the following pictures and following names. Okay? Now you have to read the word. S-T-A-M-P. How will you read this word? S-T-A-M-P, stamp. How will you read this word? Stamp. It is stamp. Children, we have completed the revision part of Active English. Today we have learned 3 things. Number 1, how to answer 2 questions together in one sentence by using a keyword, or we can call it as a magical word, that is but. Number 2, how to construct a meaningful sentence by drawing a line under the correct word. Number 3, how to derive a new word by identifying the names of the given picture. I hope you all have learnt the revision part of Active English very well, and you all are prepared for the first chapter. So in the next class, you will be learning the first chapter of Active English. Thank you. Be safe, be healthy, stay home. Sai Ram.